Welcome to the Do and Do Little. Ho, ho, ho. This is our first Christmas edition. That's Cray, and that's me. Today we're doing a video called The Queen is Coming. Basically our little twist on a Christmas look.
Capta. The Queen is coming.
She is becoming our Christmas queen. We're doing a 12th day of Christmas. It ain't easy being a queen. This is a makeup tutorial. And as usual, we're moisturizing our skin. We're using Maybelline Pore Concealer. No, not Pore Concealer. Eyeliner. It's listed down below. Eyebrow gel. You know how she is on her eyebrows. But they do come out looking marvelous. Here's the contour. She does two different colors. Lighter under, darker over. Showing you the different brushes that she uses. We're getting a little better at the brushes. Blending all that contour in. Or is it blending out? That contour of the eye helps the eyeshadow pop. If you like what you see, let us know. Using a palette from You Can Be. It's a beautiful palette, very colorful. It's listed down below in the description box, also with a link where you can purchase it from Amazon. And if you notice, the background drop is a gold Christmas tree setting in a dark green. We're going to match those colors. Going in that deep burgundy color now. See the little balls on the tree behind us? They're burgundy. Now blending brush. Please subscribe. It helps with the algorithm. Going in with the eyeshadow palette under the eye. Giving you a closer look. Now we're going in with some gold shimmer. Pretty. Gives that eyebrow a little lift. More glitter. Going into her tear duct of the eyes. Now, for the first time, we are using magnetic lashes. And that's the magical eyeliner that helps the lashes stick. This is such an easier and quick install of eyelashes. Took her like a minute on each eye. See the lashes? Look at those little magnets behind there. They stick right onto the eyeliner. See? Done. Now she's trying to hide some hyperpigmentation on her gel line. Foundation time using Black Radiance. It's her favorite. Espresso. Now look at that porcelain skin. Highlight time with some contour. Darker contour for contrast. Blending it all out. The contours by LA Girls. Everything she used is listed down in the description box with a link. Using a little powder, translucent powder to set the contour. Lippy time. We're using liquid lipstick in a matte color by Onset. Using two different colors to give her lip dimension. Dries into a matte finish. What do you think? A little blush. Now some highlighter. She likes using her fingers for this part. Nothing drastic. Adding some jewels. Did you notice the outfit change? We're almost done. The jewels are self-adhesive. Did she get her blending game on those eyes? The Christmas Queen is here. Final result, what do you think? Like we said, it isn't easy being queen.
Thank you for watching the Do and Do Little. Make sure you subscribe and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Alright, love you back. Bye.